Port City International University is one of the leading private universities in Bangladesh, founded by Mr. AKM Enamul Haq Shamim, Honorable Founder, President and Chairman, along with an efficient and dedicated team with the motto to promote excellence in higher education. PCIU got government approval in November 2012 and started academic activities with 69 students in 7 programs on May 17, 2013. Professor Dr. Muhammad Nurul Anwar has been serving successfully as the Vice Chancellor since the inception of the university. The vision of the university is to establish itself as a global leading university to contribute to the development process utilizing the advancement in higher learning and research. Ensuring transformative education to inspire and nurture creative individuals through advanced research is the main mission of the university. With the heartfelt cooperation and sincere guidance of Honorable Founder, President and Chairman Mr. AKM Enamul Haq Shamim, the university is striving to prepare the students to meet the challenge of ever-increasing professional demand. A talented and dedicated group of academics along with a supportive administration facilities, a dynamic teaching and learning environment in PCIU. PCIU has been running academic activities in its own campus with study and student-friendly environment, multimedia supported classrooms, well-equipped laboratories and other state-of-the-art facilities. Library of PCIU, named after the mother of Honorable Founder, President and Chairman Mr. AKM Enamul Haq Shamim, as Ratnagarva Al-Haj Begum Ashrafunnisa Library, is furnished with a huge collection of books along with e-library facility. PCIU Medical Center offers doctors' consultation and emergency first aid treatment to students, faculties and staffs. PCIU Cafeteria ensures hygienic refreshment for the students. PCIU has separate common rooms and prayers for male and female students. 24 hours Wi-Fi and high-speed broadband internet connection. The campus is under 24 hours CCTV surveillance. Begum Ashrafunnisa Foundation provides scholarship to needy and meritorious students of PCIU in every trimester. The Department of Business Administration offers undergraduate and graduate programs in business administration. The prime goal of the department is to provide students with an integrated and practical approach to understanding of current business practices. 19 permanent and 12 guest faculty members of this department are relentlessly guiding their students to sharpen their communication skills with a balanced emphasis on quantitative and qualitative approaches. More than 1600 students are studying in BBA and MBA program of this department. This department arranges intra-department quiz competition, CV contest and business quiz contest and other programs relevant to professional development. Students of BBA program marked their position in the Best Verbal Delegation Award in CUMUN 2019 as a delegate of PCIU, and another team of BBA program became first runners-up at EDU Business Week 2018. The Department of Civil Engineering with 765 students is run by 17 permanent faculty members and 7 guest teachers from different prominent public universities. The department has established 5 well-equipped laboratories covering major subdivisions of civil engineering, namely structural engineering, environmental engineering, transportation engineering, fluid mechanics lab, geotechnical engineering and water resources engineering. Besides, the department regularly arranges field visits and has already signed an MOU with CHUIT for effective collaboration. A student of this department became second runners-up in Mechanics Olympiad 2018 organized by Department of Civil Engineering CHUIT. The Department of Computer Science and Engineering offers students a deeper understanding of the diverse and interesting areas of CSE, preparing them for an industry or research-oriented career path. The department started its journey of BSc in CSE and MSc in CSE with 15 students, which has gradually increased to 988 students now. This department is served by 20 permanent faculty members and 13 guest faculty members from different prominent public universities. The department has successfully and regularly organizing intra-department programming contests. Students are participating in various programming contests and a team obtained the first position among all the private universities of Chattogram in ICPC 2018. Another team also secured the first position in NASA Space Apps Challenge 2017 from Chattogram zone. The department has laboratories with high configuration computers and devices, and students are expected to deliver a high standard of practical work utilizing 4 fully equipped laboratories. The Department of Electrical and Electronic Engineering has modernized laboratories including Energy Conversion Lab, Power System Lab, Electronics Lab, Robotics Lab, Electrical Circuit Lab, Communication Lab, Microwave Engineering Lab, VLSI Lab, Machine Lab, Control System Lab, Measurement and Instrumentation Laboratory. 16 permanent faculty members with 6 guest faculty members and 823 students of the department are committed to the study and analysis of fundamental as well as applied problems as the basis of Project Showcase. Students of the department built a robot named Dr. Bot. This kind of robot is first made in Bangladesh. The Department of Textile Engineering is committed to produce qualified engineers with appropriate knowledge and skills for the textile sector of Bangladesh. This department consists of 13 permanent faculty members, 2 guest faculty members, and 806 students. The department provides wet processing lab, fabric manufacturing lab, apparel manufacturing lab, textile testing lab, yarn spinning lab, color chemistry lab, and textile museum with all modern technologies. Students of textile engineering have topped in the merit list of the Textile Talent Hunt, country's largest platform for the textile quiz contest. Department of Natural Science is the framework within which physics, chemistry, mathematics, statistics, and history are taught by 14 permanent faculty members and 2 guest faculty members with excellent academic and research background. The breadth of the courses reflects the blurring of boundaries between different sciences. The department arranges different programs like Interdepartment Mathematics Competition, Science Quiz, Film Festival, etc. Every year, students of PCIU participate in National Math Olympiad under the guidance and supervision of this department. The Department of English, with a good number of faculty members, primarily formulates a platform for professional and cognitive learning. It fosters advanced reading, technical writing, media and presentation skills to 447 students. With innovative academic programs, the department strives to reach university's diverse range of students by offering both language courses and creative courses to express themselves in an innovative, interesting, and lucid style. The Department of Fashion Design and Technology started its journey on May 2, 2014. PCIU is the only private university in Chattogram that offers BSc in Fashion Design and Technology program. More than 350 students of this department are mentored by a group of qualified faculty members. The department has illustration lab, pattern lab, sewing lab, CAD/CAM lab, and fashion photography lab with different kind of equipment and materials. A sufficient number of faculty members are dedicated to explore the latent potency of the students to make them eligible to venture out in every corner of the world. At present, the Department of Journalism and Media Studies has 140 students in BSS and 17 students in MSS program. The department is equipped with video cameras, boom, computers, and microphone facilities in the media lab. The department is working to establish a broadcast studio with modern amenities in the upcoming trimester. In each trimester, press visits and fieldworks are arranged so that the students can gain practical experiences from these broadcast media. This department is served by sufficient number of permanent and guest faculty members from different prominent public universities. 574 students of the undergraduate program in Law, LLB Honours and LLM are expected to complete graduation in rigorous laws of Bangladesh, comparative law and human rights. Register along with 2 faculties, high officials and students of the department attended CLEA conference at Modi University of Science and Technology, Rajasthan, India in 2018. Moreover, students of this department regularly visit court so that they can acquire practical knowledge of law and order. Every department of PCIU regularly arranges seminar and workshop on diverse topics related to academics, research and professionalism. The university has Cultural Forum, Debate Forum, IT Forum and Sports Forum. The students of PCIU are involved in different extracurricular activities to flourish their talent and creativity. Students of PCIU Cultural Forum perform regularly in different university functions and cultural competitions. PCIU Cultural Team became champion in cultural competition organized by Jayodhane Chuet and secured the runners-up position in Prothomalo Youth Festival 2018. The motto, Better Logic for Better Tomorrow, PCIU Debate Forum has been running its activities and participated in 14 national contests in 2018. PCDF became the first runners-up in Coca-Cola Bangla Ekhon Bangla Tokhon debate contest in 2019 and one debater won the first prize in Ekushe Boi Mela speech contest held in Chattogram. PCITF ensures that the students are acquainted with all modern technologies that play crucial roles in all professional domains. Sports Forum of PCIU regularly organizes different indoor and outdoor sports competitions among the students, teachers and staffs. Moreover, cricket and football teams of PCIU are participating in different regional competitions. PCIU also arranges study tour, Pitha Utshab, Bijoy Mela and celebrates Bosonto Utshab, Bangla New Year, etc. with great enthusiasm and festivity with the participation of all students, faculty and staffs. On invitation of His Excellency, the President of India, Mr. Pranab Mukherjee, the Vice-Chancellor of PCIU attended Times Higher Education BRICS and Emerging Economies Summit at OP Jindal Global University in Delhi in December 2015. To ensure global standard higher education, teachers, students exchange and joint collaborative research program with foreign universities have been arranged. PCIU signed an MOA with Australian Academy of Business Leadership of Sydney on April 5, 2016 and received the status of life member. PCIU has signed an MOU on collaboration and exchange program with MIST. Port City International University hosted an international conference in 2016 entitled International Conference on Quality for Sustainable Development 2016 with the presence of Dato Professor Dr. Che Musa Che Omar, Head of Research and Innovations, University of Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, as keynote speaker. Center for Training and Development organizes periodical training session for the newly appointed faculty members for preparing them perfect for the classroom challenges. Faculty members from different disciplines attended IGBEC conference at Malaysia in 2016, and in 2017, 20 faculty members of PCIU completed a successful academic workshop titled Teaching and Learning at Higher Education, organized by School of Education, University of Nottingham, Malaysia. Port City International University publishes a peer-reviewed multidisciplinary journal every year. 5 volumes of the journal have been published since 2015. hopes to start academic activities at its permanent campus located at Kolpalok in Chattogram within a short period of time. PCIU has already applied for IB accreditation for all engineering departments, and it will be a milestone for this institution. To explore a new horizon in higher education is the cherished dream of PCIU, and PCIU is gradually heading towards the desired goal with strong determination and dedication to turn your dreams into reality. Thank you all.